Okay, we will study the derivative of inverse function. Inverse function means derivative of dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy, or dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx. Both are the inverse functions to each other. Now see the question number 1. Find the derivative of the function y equal to f of x using the derivative of the inverse function x is equal to f inverse of y in the following. Therefore, the first example, y equal to cube root of x plus 4. Solution of this example, we first find the inverse of the given function. We first find the inverse of the function. The inverse of the function, that is x in terms of y, given to us in the form of y. Now do the simplification, x in terms of y. Therefore y is equal to cube root square root of x cube plus 4. Sorry, cube root of x plus 4. Cube root of x plus 4. We have to find in terms of x. Therefore, cubing on both sides, y cube is equal to x plus 4. Therefore, do the simplify, y cube minus 4 is equal to x. This equation is in the form of x. Therefore, x is equal to y cube minus 4. Now, differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y. Therefore, dx upon dy is equal to y cube, derivative of y cube, that is 3 into y square. Derivative of 4 is 0. आता आपण करतो काय, विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू y, कारण y च्या फॉर्म मध्ये आपण x आणलेला आहे, म्हणून विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू y डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतोय, म्हणजे उरलेल्या टर्म्स काय असतील, कॉन्स्टंट. Therefore, we have dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. Inverse function dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy असतो, किंवा dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx असतो. Therefore, 1 upon dx by dy, value of dx by dy, that is 3 into y square, 1 upon 3y square. Therefore, 1 upon value of y is cube root of x plus 4, 3 into cube root of x plus 4 bracket square. Therefore, 1 upon 3 into x plus 4 bracket raised to 2 by 3. This is the final answer, friends, for x is not equal to negative 4. Now see second example, that is y is equal to square root of 1 plus root x. Example number 2. Given example is y equal to square root of 1 plus root x. First we find the inverse of the function. Given function is in the form of y. Do x in terms of y. Therefore y is equal to square root of 1 plus square root of x, squaring both sides, because this is in under root. Therefore y square is equal to 1 plus square root of x. Now simplify, y square minus 1 is equal to root x. Therefore x is equal to y square minus 1 bracket square. आता हा रूट कट करण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल, x चा स्क्वेअर करावा लागेल, दोघं बाजूला काय करावं लागेल, स्क्वेअर करावं लागेल. Therefore x is equal to y square minus 1 whole bracket square, that is x is equal to f inverse of y is equal to y square minus 1 bracket square. म्हणजेच काय तयार झालंय, आपलं x is equal to f inverse of y या फॉर्म मध्ये तयार झालं. Now find the derivative of x with respect to y. therefore differentiate with respective to y, therefore dx upon dy is equal to derivative of bracket square means x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1, therefore derivative of this term is 2 into y square minus 1 x raised to n च्या फॉर्म मध्ये, म्हणून आपण काय केला n पुढे घेतला म्हणजे 2 y square minus 1. now find derivative of terms in the bracket, therefore derivative of y square that is twice y and derivative of 1 is 0, therefore dx by dy is equal to 2 into y square minus 1 into dy twice y. now we have dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy. substitute the terms 1 upon dx upon dy that is 2 into 2 4 into y square minus 1. now given to us y, value of y is square root of 1 plus root x, substitute y into square root of 1 plus root x, again y square means square root of 1 plus root x bracket square minus 1. now do the simplification, 4 into square root of 1 plus root x, here 1 plus root x minus 1 cut, therefore final answer is 1 upon 4 root x into root of 1 plus root x. थोडक्यात काय तर त्यांचा मल्टिप्लिकेशन करू आपण. now third example y equal to log x, जे दिलेलं फंक्शन असेल त्याला x च्या स्वरूपात कन्वर्ट करायचं. आता दिलेलं फंक्शन कोणत्या स्वरूपात आहे, y च्या स्वरूपात आहे, त्याला आपल्याला कन्वर्ट कशात करायचं आहे, x च्या स्वरूपात. फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द इन्व्हर्स ऑफ द फंक्शन दॅट इज x in terms of y. here given function y equal to log x, therefore e raised to x is equal to e raised to y. log x इकडच्या बाजूला log e to base e, therefore x is equal to e raised to y तयार होईल. that is x is equal to f inverse of y is equal to e raised to y. आपल्याला तयार पाहिजे असलेला फॉर्म तयार झाला. now differentiate x with respective to y, therefore dx upon dy is equal to e raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह e raised to x असतो, तसा e raised to y चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येईल, e raised to y येईल. now we have dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy, therefore substitute the values, is equal to 1 upon dx upon dy that is e raised to y, 1 upon e raised to y. now value of y is log x, therefore 1 upon e raised to log x means 1 upon x, log e to base e, answer is 1. answer of this question is 1 upon x. now next question, find the derivative of the inverse of the function y is equal to 2x cube minus 6x. Friends, in this example find the derivative of the inverse function y equal to 2x cube minus 6x and calculate its value at x is equal to -2. या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपल्याला इन टर्म्स ऑफ x इन y करण्याची आवश्यकता नाही. का नाही, कारण y इज इक्वल टू 2x क्यूब मायनस 6x हे आपल्याला ऑलरेडी दिलेलं आहे. तिकडे कॉन्स्टंट फंक्शन राहणार नाही, फक्त x राहणार नाही, तो x इकडे सुद्धा येणार आहे, म्हणजे एकाच बाजूला x कन्वर्ट करता येणार नाही, त्यांनी ऑलरेडी दिलेलं आहे. देअरफॉर आपण काय करू, दुसऱ्या फॉर्म्युल्याने यूज करू. dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon di by dx. Differentiate with respective to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to derivative of this term 2x cube x raised to n, derivative of x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. Therefore 2 into 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1 means 2. minus derivative of 6x, that is 6. 3 2 are 6x square minus 6. This is dy by dx. Now we have to find dy by dx at x is equal to 2. dy by dx at x is equal to negative 2. Therefore 6 into negative 2 square minus 6. 6 into 4, negative 2 square, that is 4 minus 6. 24 minus 6, answer is 18. This is the value of dy by dx at x is equal to negative 2. Now we have to calculate value of y. Now y is equal to 2x cube minus 6x is equal to 2 into y at x is equal to negative 2. 2 into negative 2 bracket cube minus 6 into negative 2. Therefore 2 into negative 8, negative negative product is positive. Negative 16, positive 12. Answer is negative 4. Now we have to find inverse function. Therefore dx upon dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx at point x is equal to negative 2. Therefore dx upon dy at x is equal to minus 2 is equal to 1 upon dy by dx at x is equal to minus 2. That is dy by dx at x is equal to minus 2 is 18. Therefore substitute the value, that is 18. Therefore dy by dx at x is equal to minus 2 is equal to 1 by 18. This is the final answer. Thank you, friends.